The oil pressure warning light is not working. Usually when this happens it's either a faulty bulb or switch. I decide to test the circuit by bypassing the switch and earthing the cable from the lamp with a jump lead, simply because that was the easiest option. This wiring diagram shows how the oil pressure warning light is connected in the circuit. I've included the neutral and generator and fuel warning lights as well, because that's how the system is wired on the bike. There's a connection from the ignition switch to these four lights, but you only need to take notice of the actual oil pressure warning light. So you can see current flows from the battery through the ignition switch when the switch is closed and feeds the four warning lights, but the oil pressure warning light in particular, the current then flows from there to the oil pressure switch, and oil pressure coming from the engine pushes the switch open, and which breaks the circuit and the light goes out. If the oil pressure drops then low enough, then spring pressure on the back of the switch pushes the switch in contact with the two terminals again, and so the warning light comes on. So there's the switch. It's got to get a socket on it. So there it is, the old one. Compare it to the new one, it's slightly different. So I'm going to have to change the terminal. That's no problem. So just putting the new switch in. Connect up the cable and slip the boot back over. That's that done.